Hi guys, welcome back to this I guess will be episode 17 of Building and Scale. I'm going to take a break from N-scale railroading today and work on a plastic model here I've been working on for a while. This is my Peterbilt record, Peterbilt 379. It's a 125 scale Revell kit. What I've been doing lately is basically detailing the chrome trim around door openings and windshield openings, and I wanted to show you guys how I do that. I use this product called bare metal foil, and it's available in all sorts of different colors or shades of chrome. This is ultra bright chrome. This is actually matte aluminum, and then here's the one I've been using. This is just chrome, and that's what I've been using on the Peterbilt. I'm going to show you, I'm just going to do something simple. I'm going to apply it to this hatch right here. Show you how I do that. I'm just going to make this hatch chrome, and this stuff is really realistic looking and really gives a great finish. So it's just as simple as coming in, cutting off a piece approximately a little bit bigger than what you need to fit the area. That's what the sheet looks like. I don't know. This package is quite old, and I don't know if these are shrinkage cracks from it just sitting in that package for years and years and years, but it is kind of a problem. You can't pull off big sheets because of those cracks that have gone all the way through. This stuff is so thin. We're talking thousandths of an inch. Now the hard part is actually detaching it from the backing, especially on these smaller pieces. But you just want to try to kind of work it loose, and you need a really sharp hobby knife. Try to get under there. Not easy. And I just use the tweezers, and you're just going to peel it off like a sticker. Okay, and then we're going to go right over this hatch right here. Make this chrome. And I'm just going to press it on there like that. And just kind of work it around a little bit. Then I like to take these Q-tip and cut it in half. And I'm just going to use this end right now. And what I'm going to do is we're going to kind of burnish the bare metal foil onto the surface. Make sure we grab all that contour. And then after I do that, I'm going to take a toothpick, and I'm really going to make sure that it's adhered around the perimeter of this hatch, nice, and I'm just kind of applying some pressure, pushing into the contour of the hatch all around. Okay. Looks pretty good. Let's burnish it a little bit more here. Work out all those air bubbles, but this stuff is so thin it contours to almost everything easily, very easily. And then the next piece is going to be, you want to take a very sharp hobby knife. This is an X-Acto. I think that's a number 3 blade, and you want to make sure you got a really sharp blade, and you just want to carefully trim around the perimeter here. Okay. Then I'm just going to come and I'm going to lift this corner very carefully. Then I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to pull straight up. we go. And now that I've got that trimmed and all the excess removed, I'm gonna go back with my Q-tip and just work around the perimeter here. Make sure everything's nice and tight, smooth. There you go, it looks pretty good. I think that looks extremely realistic. That was easier and quicker than trying to mask it off and paint it. You can see I did the perimeter of the door. This took probably 40 minutes. The front windshield was a little bit tougher, and then I did the other doors probably about 35 minutes. But I'm pretty happy with how that looks. And there you go. So this is what the sheet looks like. Just cutting off pieces that I need. Again, this is a pain. These prevent me from taking off large sheets, but I'm not quite sure why you would need a huge area unless you want to make the whole thing chrome. Again, we used bare metal foil, and this was the chrome color. And this stuff is really easy to use. This packet's probably 20 years old. I think this is about $8 a sheet now. And a couple of different sheens, colors they've got for this. But it goes on real easy, looks really good. It takes a little bit of practice, and it's important to use a sharp knife because the stuff is so thin if the knife's dull, and as you're cutting away the excess, you'll actually tear it and remove more than you want to, or actually cut across the part that you're trying to keep on the model. So it's just important to have a sharp knife. So anyways, thought you guys would be interested in seeing that. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you learned something. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.